Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you wonderful outdoor backyard kids playhouse design ideas and tips to build fun space for your child's creativity and adventures. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In a world dominated by screens and structured activities, the simple joy of outdoor play holds immense value. An outdoor backyard playhouse transcends mere entertainment. It becomes a portal to imagination, a stage for endless adventures, and a nurturing space for social and emotional development. We delve into the captivating realm of outdoor backyard playhouses, exploring their significance, practicality, and boundless creative potential. So, settle in and prepare to unlock a world of adventure for your little ones. But beyond the magic, what are the concrete benefits of incorporating a playhouse into your backyard haven? Why should we have a playhouse in our backyard? Investing in a backyard playhouse transcends mere entertainment. It fosters a haven for imaginative exploration, fueling physical and cognitive development. Playhouses provide: first, a dedicated play space, separate from the main house. They offer a designated area for imaginative play, minimizing messes and disruptions indoors. Second, social and emotional development. Playhouses become a stage for children to interact, develop communication skills, and navigate social dynamics. Third, physical activity. Climbing, crawling, and exploring the playhouse encourage physical activity, crucial for healthy growth and development. Fourth, sensory stimulation. Engaging with varied textures, colors, and shapes within the playhouse stimulates and ignites young minds. Fifth, creative expression. Playhouses transform into pirate ships, castles, or secret hideaways, nurturing creativity and storytelling skills. What do you put under a playhouse in your yard? The foundation sets the stage for safe and enjoyable play. Consider these options. First, crushed gravel provides drainage and prevents mud puddles, minimizing the risk of slipping or insect infestations. Second, mulch creates a cushioned surface, ideal for bare feet and adding a natural touch. Opt for shredded rubber mulch for enhanced safety. Third, play mats offer colorful, soft padding, particularly suitable for younger children or playhouses on hard surfaces. Fourth, sand. Encourage endless sandcastle building and imaginative scenarios, but remember the maintenance it requires. Fifth, artificial grass provides a low-maintenance, year-round green carpet, perfect for barefoot play and minimizing mud issues. How much does it cost to build a children's playhouse? Costs vary significantly based on size, materials, and complexity. Expect. For simple pre-built structures, it starts around $200 to $400. And for DIY wooden playhouses, it ranges from $500 to $1,500, depending on materials and design. And for the elaborate playhouses, it can exceed $2,000, incorporating decks, slides, and intricate details. What do you put in a child's playhouse? Let your child's imagination guide the way. Some essentials include: first, furniture. Small tables, chairs, and cushions create a homey feel and encourage pretend play. Second, storage. Baskets, shelves, or built-in compartments keep toys and treasures organized. Third, decorations. String lights, curtains, and themed decorations personalize the space and spark imaginations. Fourth, art supplies. Crayons, markers, and paper unleash their artistic talents, adorning the walls or creating masterpieces. Fifth, dress-up clothes. Costumes and props fuel imaginative adventures, transforming them into pirates, astronauts, or superheroes. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best outdoor backyard playhouse ideas that you can choose. 1. Enchanted Cottage, a whimsical playhouse adorned with flowers, vines, and a charming picket fence. 2. Pirate Ship, complete with a mast, sail, and steering wheel, ready to set sail for imaginary adventures. 3. Treehouse Playhouse, nestled among the branches, offering a secluded haven and a connection to nature. 4. Medieval Castle, featuring turrets, flags, and a hidden entrance, perfect for knights and princesses. 5. Camping-themed playhouse, replicating a tent or camper, ideal for budding outdoor explorers. 6. Mud Kitchen, encourages sensory play and creativity, allowing them to cook mud pies and concoct imaginary meals. Seven. Art Studio Playhouse, equipped with easels, paints, and brushes, fostering their artistic expression. 8. Reading Nook Playhouse, filled with cozy cushions, blankets, and shelves overflowing with books, inviting them to get lost in literary worlds. 9. Superhero Headquarters, designed with secret compartments, gadgets, and costumes, empowering them to defend the backyard from imaginary villains. 10. Fairy Garden Playhouse, adorned with miniature houses, flowers, and figurines, creating a magical world for fairies and other mythical creatures. Investing in a backyard playhouse is an investment in your child's development and happiness. It fosters a haven for imagination, creativity, and growth, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, unleash your inner child, explore these inspiring ideas, and embark on the journey of building the perfect backyard escape for your little adventurer. Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more design inspiration, DIY tutorials, and expert tips on creating the perfect playhouse for your child. Subscribe, like, and share our videos to join our community of design enthusiasts. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of wonderful outdoor backyard kids playhouse design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.